Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious apple cider from scratch. No, we're not going to the store and getting the jug. You're going to do this the right way and you're going to show your family that you rock this Thanksgiving. Okay guys, for today's recipe, you're going to need a crock pot, 6 apples, 1 pear, 1 orange, a 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, 4 pieces of Star Anise, 4 cinnamon sticks, ground nutmeg, ground allspice, and 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead and chop up your fruit. You do not have to peel it, and we'll get started. So in your crock pot, start by adding 8 cups of water. Then add your 1 cup of sugar. Then go ahead and add in your pear chunks. And then start adding in all of your apples. Next, add in your orange and make sure you place these very nicely so you can take an Instagram picture of this when it's done because it's so beautiful. Then next, sprinkle your pomegranate seeds all over. And then add in your Star Anise. Next, add in your cinnamon sticks. Once again, making sure they are picture perfect. Like, see, I didn't like that right there. Move it over there, it's much better. Then next, go ahead and take a pinch of your ground nutmeg. I did about 2 pinches. I just sprinkled it over the top. If you have whole nutmeg, throw that in. Then next, go ahead and sprinkle your ground allspice. Once again, just 2 little pinches over the top. Will be plenty of seasoning for this. And then go ahead and get your camera out and take a few pictures of this beautiful crock pot full of fruit. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. So I'm gonna put on my lid and set this for 8 hours on low heat. And then your house is gonna smell delicious in a few hours. Alright guys, so it's been 8 hours and I'm gonna open up my crock pot. My goodness, oh my goodness, it's so delicious. I'm telling you, if you could just smell the smell of what's going on in my house right now, you would love it. You'd love it. So you have to make this just because you want your house to smell good. Alright, so all I'm doing now is just pulling out the whole pieces of fruit and spices and just draining them really well. And then you'll run this entire apple cider through a strainer to get that last bit of fruit and chunkiness out of it because you want it to be really smooth. So that's it, guys. You just run it through a strainer and you're done. But if you want to be a little bit extra for Thanksgiving Day, I'm going to go ahead and make some whipped cream to put on top of this because it is so good like that. So for this part of the recipe, you're going to need heavy whipping cream, a hand blender, and some sugar. So start by putting some heavy whipping cream in a bowl. And then next, add a little bit of sugar. This is all just going to be to taste, so you will have to try it at the end. And blend it up. I start my whisk on low, and then as it starts to thicken, go faster. It took me about 5 to 6 minutes to get it to this whipped cream consistency, so don't give up on it. It just does take a little bit of time. So once you're done, try it and see if that's what you like. Then we're gonna go ahead and make this apple cider. Pour it in your favorite mug. And then top it with a little bit of whipped cream. And then I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of cinnamon on the top just to make it look wonderful. And you can always add a cinnamon stick in the cup. It's not going to change the flavor too much. It just looks nice and it's very festive. So, but do you know what this video needs? Some epic B-roll shots. Alright guys, so that is my apple cider recipe. I hope you love it and enjoy it. It is going to make your house feel all warm and cozy and smell delicious, and it is so stinking good. I'm telling you, your family is going to be impressed with this, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure like this video and subscribe to join the family. I post new videos every single week, and I would love to have you join along. So, I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh my gosh, so good. Delicious. So easy, so easy, so easy. So, because I'm all about quick and easy, let's get it done and make it delicious. You're gonna show your whole family up. They're gonna think you're like a 5-star Michelin chef, and you just threw in the crock pot. But you don't have to tell them that. Makes my life so much better. Look at this mug. Look at it. Look at how beautiful this mug is. Yeah, it's so beautiful. All right, guys. So that's my apple cider recipe. I got whipped cream all over me. Homemade whipped cream. You can tell I've already drank some of this because the glass is getting empty in between each take. Let's go.